Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, it's Janaji, that's me, the Hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So in a couple of videos back, I would have mentioned to you all that I was going to be doing a series of videos that I think you guys will enjoy. Well, today is going to be the first video of that series. I'm going to be posting, I don't know how many videos as yet, depends on how things go, but today is going to be the first video in that series where I am going to be recreating some restaurant meals. So you know, many of us enjoy going to restaurants, date nights or lunch dates or girls' limes or whatever the case is, but there are also a lot of people who prefer not to go to restaurants for various reasons, from budget reasons or religious side of it. So whatever the case is, this video or these videos to come, I'm hoping that will show you guys how easy it is to make a restaurant style meal right in your very own kitchen. So before we go any further, you know, you have to do the usual thing. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, the bell notification button as well, so you don't miss out on any of my videos to come. Every time I post a video, you will get a notification, and then that'll give you a chance to comment down below using the hashtag shoutout, so you get a shout out in one of my future videos to come. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see who's going to get a shout out from some of my previous videos that I would have posted and didn't get a chance to give you guys a shout out. And also, I would have mentioned to you guys, when you do try some of my recipes, feel free to send me the pictures and I will give you guys a shout out. So I'm putting a shout out for those in the beginning of this video before you continue. So the first shout out I'm going to give to is Khadija. She tried the chicken pies and look how fabulous they look amazing. She did a fantastic job. The second shout out is going to go to Marissa. She tried my shrimp bisque right up here. It looks fantastic as well. You guys, you did a fantastic job. And the third one is going to go to Felicia. She also tried the chicken pies recipe. Check it out right here. They all look amazing. You all did an awesome job. So continue to send me pictures when you do try my recipes, and I will be sure to give you guys a shout out. Alright, so now we can get into this video. And the first restaurant meal that I'm going to do is pretty simple. I don't want to do anything too complex. I just want to give you guys the chance to see that it's actually not so hard to put together some meals that you do get served at the various restaurants. So the first one I'm going to do is a jerk Alfredo with chicken. So this is what it would have looked like at the restaurant. So you see they've got the fettuccine pasta with the chicken, grilled chicken on top, and they've got the garlic toasted bread, of course, on the side of it. And I'm going to try to give you guys an idea of the price. Well, I'll tell you guys the price I paid for it. I won't tell you which restaurant it is, or these pictures will either got from me myself having eaten at the restaurant, or somebody or from the past, or whatever the case is. So I'll try to give you the price of the meal. I'm not going to name the restaurant, and I'm also going to try to give you guys an idea of what it cost me to make it here at home. But the basic point is just to have some fun with it, and just to show you that you can have a nice Friday evening dinner made by yourself right here at home. So the ingredients for this recipe is so super simple. You guys are going to be amazed at how easy it is to actually make. So I'm going to be using some fettuccine. I have some ready-made jerk sauce here. If you want, you can make your own jerk sauce, but it's just easy to pick it up at the supermarket. I'm going to be using some cooking cream. I have some evaporated milk. I'm going to be using some jerk seasoning. I have some chopped onions, garlic, pimentos, and I have chicken strips or chicken tenders here, and I have some chicken chunks that I did as well. So if you saw from the picture, you'd notice that there were strips of chicken on top of the pasta. So this is what this is going to be, and I'm going to just be seasoning it with just a little bit of this jerk seasoning. You don't need to add any salt. I'm just going to be seasoning it with this alone, and then we're just going to be putting it on our cast iron pan to get some of those grill marks. So if you have a grill, you can use that. And for the entire recipe, I'm just going to be using this wet jerk marinade here. So I don't need to use any other seasoning because this already contains the salt and everything. It has a very strong flavor in it. So all I did for the chicken, I just seasoned with a little bit of salt and black pepper, because this already has salt, so you don't want to, you know, have a salty dish. So this is just the basic ingredients, and of course some Parmesan cheese if you like, and some oil to cook everything together. So I'm just going to start things off by putting my fettuccine to boil. I'm not going to be adding any salt to this. So I'm just going to let that cook, and I have my cast iron pan heating here that I'm going to be adding my chicken strips to. So now our chicken tenders are done, and we're going to be making the jerk alfredo sauce while our pasta is continuing to cook in the other pot. So I've got my chicken strips done. The pasta is almost finished, and I have my oil heating in my pan, my pot here. I'm just going to be adding my chopped onions, pimentos, and garlic. Keeping my heat on low, and I'm going to be adding my chicken chunks. Next, I'm going to add my jerk, my wet jerk marinade. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And that's just to help the chicken cook faster and so that everything else would not stick. Now, because it's chicken chunks and they're fairly small pieces, they're not going to take very long to cook. I'm just going to leave it for about a minute. Keep my heat on low until it's cooked a little more. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my cooking cream, followed by my evaporated milk. Now, like I mentioned, the jerk seasoning already has salt in it, so you would not need to add any more. If you do want to go a little heavier on the jerk itself, you can add, you can just taste it and add some more at this point in time. So I'm just going to increase my heat to medium now, and I'm going to bring this to a little boil. And then we're just going to add in our cooked fettuccine pasta. So I just tasted it, and it's absolutely perfect. It's fine, enough jerk seasoning in there. And now I'm going to be adding my pasta. And literally, guys, that was all it was to make a jerk alfredo chicken pasta. So my heat is off, and that is just about it. We have our chicken chunks in, we have our jerk seasoning in, cooking cream, onions, pimentos, garlic, some evaporated milk, and that's just about it. Alright guys, and this is my recreated jerk alfredo chicken pasta. So it was, you saw how easy it was to make. It was not hard at all. I put the price that I paid for the dish, and I put the price that the cost of how much it was to actually make this dish. And you saw the bread. I didn't have the proper bread that they would use, so yeah, I just used my very own kiss sliced bread. And look how fantastic and nice it looks. I just put it on the cast iron pan, or you can put it on the grill. Just put some butter and some garlic, and check it out. Alright guys, and that is it. That is all for our jerk alfredo chicken pasta. Easy dish to make. It's so simple. Just literally just adding some of the ready-made jerk seasoning that you get right in the supermarket. You can make your own, of course, but this is just to give you guys an easy version of how, you know, it can be done. Use my own sliced bread, because I didn't have any bread, the fancy bread that they would use, or I didn't feel like buying it because it would probably waste. And we probably almost always have whatever bread you have in your house. You could just put some butter, put some garlic, just throw it on the grill. Some nice, you know, pieces to add to your dish. So I hope that you did enjoy this video and give it a try out. So this is just the first video of a couple of videos to come on different restaurant meals that I've recreated, all just with the intention of showing you guys how easy it is to make it in your very own kitchen, and you can have a nice date night or girls night or whatever the case is right here at home. So like I promised, I will be giving you guys shout outs like I mentioned in, you know, some of my videos and some of the videos to come. The timing of my videos posted, my video off, some videos already edited and scheduled on YouTube. That's a feature that they have where you can actually sit down today and schedule video for posting for the next 2-3 weeks, months, whatever the case is. So if I don't give you, if you do hashtag shout out and I don't give you a shout out in the video that follows, that's just why. But stay tuned, just keep watching the videos, and you will eventually I will get a chance to do a shout out to you guys. So I'm going to do shout outs now. First shout out is going to go to Shaliza Khan. Thanks so much for watching my video. Of course, I'm going to give a shout out to Angela Mohammed. Thanks a million as always for watching my video. King Cole, thanks so much for watching the videos as well. And also shout outs going to go to Anne Marie. Thanks so much for watching my video. Gita Rosan, again, thanks so million, guys. Sanu Sugrim, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, always commenting and always showing some support. So I hope that you did like this video. Again, if you did like it, please share some of your feedback, what you guys think about it. Again, this is all with the intention of just having some fun in the kitchen. That is it. So yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure when the next video in this particular series will pop up, maybe the next week, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video to come.